Hi everyone, this is Huda Beauty Makeup, and in today's look I'm going to show you my signature party makeup look, which is a very nice glittery eye with a very fresh and dewy skin. So this is the look that you can wear easily on any of your events. So let's get started. Alright, so we're going to start with our eye makeup first. So here I'm using the Tarte brow powder. She already has really nice eyebrows, so I'm just going to fill in the gaps that we see. So now I'm going to take some Tarte Shape Tape in light medium to prime her eyelids before we start her makeup. I'm going to start with the warm brown shade and build it up on her crease. Now I'm going to mix these two shades and make a deeper brown color and start blending it on the outer corner. I'm going to take a dark brown or a black eyeshadow and I'm going to blend it outwards. So now I'm going to take a gold eyeshadow and place it in the center of her lid. So now I have mixed Inglot's glitter pigments and apply it. Under her brow, I'm going to place a highlighter. So I'm going to curl her lashes. So instead of lash glue, I'm applying Sara Ali Cosmetics eyeliner on her because it's also a lash adhesive. So I'm going to stick her lash on the liner now. So I'm using the Makeup Forever liquid liner. By prepping her skin with the MAC Fix-It, I'm going to apply the moisturizer. This is Neutrogena. So now I'm going to apply a primer, which is just going to add some more glow to her face. I like to do these things with my fingers. Now since we've prepped the skin, I'm going to start with color correction. And I'm taking Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Tan. And I'm going to mix some LA Girl Pro in the shade Orange, which is a corrector. And I'm just going to place this where she has a bit grayness and any discoloration. So now I'm applying some Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. All these products that I'm using are easily available on Bagallery. So now I'm going to apply my foundation with a flat brush and I've mixed a few. So it's Armani and NARS. Alright, so now I'm going to apply some Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Medium to cover her dark circles. So while the concealer is still sitting, I'm going to add some cream blush, which I've made with a lipstick and mixing a foundation into it. Alright, so now I'm just going to start blending everything together. So with this small brush, I'm going to place my baking powder. Alright, now I'm using the Hoola bronzer. So I'm going to start from her earlobe and I'm going to bring it up. So now I'm going to take my NARS blush in the shade Orgasm. So now I'm taking some highlighter. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette and I'm taking Gumdrop. So now I'm taking the Fenty Beauty Diamond Bomb in the shade How Many Carats. I'm going to take a warm brown eyeshadow and place it on her lower lid. Essence mascara and I'm going to lightly build it up on her lashes. NYX lip pencil in the shade Nude Truffle. I'm going to start lining her lips. So now I'm going to take the same lip color that I took as my blush and I'm going to place it on the inside of her lip. Now I'm just going to add some gloss in the center of her lip. Alright, so now I'm going to set her face with the Urban Decay setting spray. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you all like it. Please let me know in the comments below and do follow my page, Huda Beauty Makeup. Thank you.